In this video, we'll solve an exponential equation by using log rules. We have equation x equals square root of x to the power square root of x. If we take log on both sides, we have log x equals log square root of x to the power square root of x. We know log base 10x is written as log x. So in this log, the base is 10. Next, we can write log x equals square root of x log square root of x. Since we know if we have log a to the power b, we can write this as b log a. The power of the number comes as a coefficient of log in log rules. So we have applied this rule here. Now we can write log x equals square root of x log x to the power half, since square root of x equals x to the power half. Next, again we can apply log rules, and we can write log x equals square root of x times half log x. We have applied these rules again. Log a to the power b equals b log a. The power half comes as a coefficient of log. Next, we can write log x equals square root of x by 2 log x. We can take everything on the left side and we can write log x minus square root of x by 2 log x equals 0. Here the common term is log x. We can take log x and we can write 1 minus square root of x by 2 equals 0. So from here we have first log x equals 0, or we can write x equals 10 to the power 0. From here we have x equals 1. Since we know if we have log a b equals c, we can write this as b equals a to the power c. So we have applied these rules here to find the value of x. So the value of x in this case is x equals 1. Next we'll take the next part, which is 1 minus square root of x by 2 equals 0. So we have 1 minus square root of x by 2 equals 0. Or we can write minus square root of x by 2 equals minus 1. If we multiply both sides with minus 1, we have square root of x by 2 equals 1. We have multiplied both sides with minus 1. Next we have, if we multiply both sides with 2, we have square root of x equals 2. Now we can square both sides and we can write square root of x whole square equals 2 square, which gives us x equals 4. So this is our second value of x. So the value of x for this equation is x equals 1 and 4. So this is the solution for the given equation, and this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.